Okay, welcome to Misadventures in Casting. I've been melting aluminum and zinc and assorted things to see if I can liquefy them to put in a mold for my Legend of Zelda Master Sword. So I'm going to rebuild the forge. I had to take it apart to clean it and get all the soot out. So what I have is some concrete blocks stacked up with a V-channel for the air vent. I have a grill from a barbecue, which I cut the edges off. And basically, you make a square. And the V-channel is in the middle there. We put down our grill. Now, like you do with Lego blocks, you alternate the pattern so you don't have one weak spot. Okay, that's my height. Now I have this other brick and some pieces, because as the forging gets going, you kind of block it off to contain the heat. But I of course can't do that right now, because I need to put in the charcoal. So let's go get the charcoal. I have this miracle mix that I call it. It's sawdust, little tiny flakes of wood, and kerosene. Dump that in there. That stuff is going to burn like crazy, because you want to get the charcoal started. Yeah, you can use newspaper, you can use sticks, you know, all those normal barbecue things. I like the cheap. At first you don't want to put in a lot of briquettes, because you want to get the briquettes hot and burning. Once the briquettes are starting to smolder, then I can fill it up to here with briquettes, and there'll be so much heat that they'll all ignite each other. The slightly special thing I have here is a fan. It's just a blower fan I ripped out of some appliance. I got it from this guy I know, Rob, and he was throwing stuff out and cleaning out his garage from his dad. And this blows air out here into that V we had at the bottom. So I'm going to put this back here. I have it on an extension cord so I can unplug it and plug it in without getting close to the mayhem. So just as some informational for you to see what's going on here, we've got the fan back there, and it's propped up with a brick, and it's going to blow into here where we have the briquettes. I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to put my crucible in there. The crucible, if you can call it that, is actually a box I made out of 1/4-inch plate steel. Welded it on the inside and on the outside, several go-overs and layers to make sure it's good and solid. Steel melts at 3,000 degrees, so I shouldn't have a problem. The reason I did that is I bought a stainless steel pot, if you can call it that. It worked twice, and then the third time it just gave out. So let's light our fire. I only use the torch because I'm lazy. Matches are a pain in the neck. I'm going to turn the fan on. Okay, right away you can see a difference. In fact, if we get up in there, you can see now it's chugging. It's really chugging. I'm going to take my so-called crucible, get it in there. I'll take some previously melted aluminum, throw that in there. And I have all these pieces of aluminum from the display sign. The heat level is going way up quick. Well, the bottom of my crucible cube is glowing a bit. Let's see if I can get a temperature. Temperature just goes off the scale. It's definitely melting though. I see a puddle at the bottom. But I think I put in way too much material. Gotta get the camera on this. I definitely have liquid aluminum. Woohoo! So I think it's time to start getting the mold ready. Okay, well, it's been an hour since the pour, so let's see what we got. Now, the electrical tape was on there only to hold it together while I put the wire straps on. Because as you can see, the electrical tape just melted on contact. Okay, it won't come apart. Oh, there we go. We got a separation. Well, not great, but better. I'm improving. I think there was still way too much moisture in the mold because when I poured, there was an awful lot of hissing and bubbling. And we still have a pretty shitty looking piece. It's not usable, that's for sure. But I think, oh crap, I cracked the concrete. Okay, well, it's touchable. I think I'm going to have to do is pour it as halves and then mate it after the fact. Oh, there's still some hot spots. So I gotta let it cool some more. I've got some concrete cracking going on here. Yeah, definitely got some mold breakage. Well, it's a start.